What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Rice Rocketeer. Guys, tell me that bike doesn't look absolutely gorgeous. It's best angle, best light. I got it cleaned. Oh, sorry, brother. Just standing in the middle of the road, don't mind me. Just got it cleaned. It looks so good right now. Actually, matter of fact, before I get rolling, guys, I'm gonna take a photo here. Awesome. So, guys, today's video, I'm gonna head into downtown Manhattan, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this sunset as the sun goes down, and hopefully can catch some of it. I wonder. Let me jump on this top roadway, and hopefully it's open. Let's go. Looks fairly empty today, guys. I think we're in luck. That's a really, I like that top roadway. While we approach the fun part, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button. I know you want to do it, guys. It's sitting there, just staring you in the face. Subscribe! Like the video if you like it, and only if you like it, guys. Welcome. If it's your first time tuning in, guys, welcome to another NYC moto vlog. You will see the city from the perspective of two wheels, whether it be my Indian Scout Rogue or my Triumph Street Triple RS, which I am not on today, but we'll be spending a lot of time on this coming season because I missed that goddamn bike. Just got a service. Motorcycle-centric channel where I talk about things other than motorcycles and try to figure life out. And where I buy new gloves because I need new gloves. We go downtown, West Village. I don't know. Uptown's so boring. It's beautiful over here. It is beautiful. So much better from the other angle, but anyway, you get the view, guys. At least you get the view. This is the southernmost end. This is the southern end of Manhattan right there. I love this view. when you get going fast in here, having this over you makes it just feels really good. Somebody riding me. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. Law and order, my friends. Law and order. Oh, come on now. Alright guys, it's a short little ride today. Oh, ending here on Lafayette, at Lafayette. Well, a funny story about this restaurant. One day I will share it. It's pretty empty in the city though, which is really nice. Um, yeah, that little route out of Brooklyn, like, usually if it's open, it's absolutely gorgeous. You still get the good view when it's not open, but it's a totally different story when it is open, and it feels really good. So I'm gonna keep trying, and one of these days we're gonna have a good run on it. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm gonna relax here, and I think Cologne is over there. Get a coffee over there. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do it for NYC Motorcycle Adventures. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.